Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. Today in this video I am going to teach you Vikanasa Mahamuni Stotra. Vikanasa Mahamuni was a direct descendant of Lord Brahma. He composed Agama Shastra which was called as Vaikhanasa Agama. Agama Shastras are nothing but rules and procedures and guidelines to worship God according to Hindu religion. Various Vedic rituals, procedures and guidelines to worship God daily. There are certain religious rituals we have to follow for worshipping God. Detailed procedures are mentioned in Shastras which are called as Agama Shastras. There are different types of Agama Shastras such as Vaikhanasa Agama, Shaivagama, Vaishnavagama, Pancharatragama, etc. I'll make a separate video about all these things. Now this Vikanasa Mahamuni has composed Vaikhanasa Agama. So this Vikanasa Mahamuni Stotra we are taking up. A neology on Vikanasa Mahamuni was a great rishi, was a direct descendant of Lord Brahma. So before entering to this Stotra, my dear friends, we will do some prayers now. Okay. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha, Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha, Om Sam Saraswati Namaha, Om Shri Uma Maheshwarabhyam Namaha, Om Shri Lakshmi Narayanabhyam Namaha, Om Shri Sita Ramabhyam Namaha, Om Matrubhyo Namaha, Pitrubhyo Namaha, Rishibhyo Namaha, Munibhyo Namaha, Om Acharyebhyach Namo Namaha, Sarvebhyach Devi Devatabhyach Namo Namaha. So now we are done with the prayers, my dear friends. Hari Om Sutti Jai Shri Ram. Now I will recite the Vikanasa Mahamuni Stotra. It goes like this, my dear friends. Shruti Smruti Nadi Purnam Shastra Kallola Sankulam Vishnu Bhakti Mahaminam Vande Vikanasornavam. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? This is a short Anushtup Stotra, just a 32 letter Stotra which describes Vikanasa Mahamuni. So I will explain you the verbatim meanings now. Shruti Smruti Nadi Purnam. This Vikanasa Mahamuni was like various rivers called Vedas and the Smrutis. Shruti refers to Vedas and Smruti refers to various procedural texts like Yagnavalkya Smruti, Bodhayana Smruti, rules and regulations for various householders, how we have to conduct everyday life. So these are mentioned in Smrutis. So these Smrutis and the Shrutis, Vedas, Nadi Purnam, all these rivers, they are likened to rivers. They are going to merge in the ocean called Vikanasa. That means he was so knowledgeable. His knowledge was so vast. All the Vedas and Shastras he knew. Smrutis also he knew. That is the meaning. Shruti Smruti Nadi Purnam Shastra Kallola Sankulam. Kallola means huge waves. Shastra Kallola means various hundreds of thousands of Shastras are there. He knew all these Shastras. Okay, this Vikanasa Mahamuni. So Shastra Kallola Sankulam. Here in ocean is described. The ocean called Vikanasa Mahamuni is described and we are prostrating to that. We will come to know now. So this ocean called Vikanasa Mahamuni is formed by merging of various rivers called Vedas and the Smrutis, etc. And then Shastra, hundreds of Shastras in the forms of waves. Shastra Kallola Sankulam. So moving on. Vishnu Bhakti Mahaminam. This is a very important aspect. Vishnu Bhakti Mahaminam. Mahaminam means this ocean has a huge wave, a huge whale. So what is this whale? Full of Vishnu Bhakti, full of devotion to Lord Sri Mahavishnu, who is Lord of all Lords. This is a very important aspect about Vikanasa Mahamuni Stotra. He was full of Vishnu Bhakti. So by Bhakti he has achieved all this Gnana. So by Bhakti he achieved all this vast Gnana. He was full of Vishnu Bhakti. So that is the very important meaning here, my dear friends. So Vishnu Bhakti Mahaminam Vande Vikanasornavam. Vande Vikanasa Arnavam. Vande means I am going to prostrate. To whom I am going to prostrate? Vikanasa Mahamuni. Vikanasa Arnavam. The ocean called Vikanasa Mahamuni. This ocean, how it is formed? After the rivers called Vedas and the various Smruti texts merged in the ocean, and it is full of Shastra Kallola, hundreds of Shastras are there, and Vishnu Bhakti, a huge whale is there full of Vishnu Bhakti, and this Vikanasa Mahamuni is likened to such a huge ocean, and we are going to prostrate to this fantastic stotra, isn't it, my dear friends? So I'm going to recite this stotra again. Here I go. Shrutismrutinadi Purnam Shastra Kallola Sankulam Vishnu Bhakti Mahaminam Vande Vikhanaso Navam. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? This stotra is very unique and in several aspects. And first is that in the Ramayana also we find a similar stotra in the opening verses of Ramayana. So it goes like this. Shlokasara Samakirnam Sarga Kallola Sankulam Khandagraha Mahaminam Vande Ramayana Navam. So this is about the Ramayana text. There also this word Kallola comes. So in the next video I am going to explain this shloka, my dear friends. So until then, bye for now. This is Suhas to be signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Sati Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.